Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are looking at Opendoor stock today. Now this one so far today is down by around about 4%. You can see that on the chart over here so far. Over the past 5 days we're looking at a decline nearly at 5%. And over the past month we are still up by 85. The question now is, where do we go from here? What are we looking for going forwards into next week? Over the course of this video I'll be giving you a sum up of everything that I'm paying attention to, giving you all of my personal thoughts and opinions on today as well. If it sounds good, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. But as always, remember, I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. I can also remind you guys that I do now have a Patreon page. Link is down in the description. You can get a lot of behind the scenes content. If you want extra support, all of the sort of things that I'm looking at, all of this can be found down here. I thoroughly recommend clicking on it at least to give the link a quick inspection and giving me all of your thoughts and opinions. Now jumping straight into the video and looking at Opendoor stock. Well, what stands out to me here is very clear. Opendoor stock is still holding up very nicely since we have hit these levels at $7. Now obviously that is a way away from where we are now, but unfortunately this is our new level of support potentially. We don't want to see the stock drop below $7, $7.10. That's really as basic as it is to the low side. At the same time, we are now starting to establish a nice channel. You know, I know today has been red, but in context, it's not actually the worst thing in the world. You can see how throughout this week, we've not necessarily had the best time, but again, it does appear to be the case that we are beginning, especially towards the late part of today, to establish new levels of potential support. Again, I think the comeback that we had from this was good. I think the fact that today is red is not necessarily as bad as many people think. I think as long as we remain above this point, like I say, $7, things are relatively strong. And again, if you can hold that support that we are seeing recently, that support roughly at 840, things also looking relatively good. Again, I think this stock is one, especially on the 3-month, you can see it's pushed up a lot. You know, we're now having a lot of time to cool off. You can see a nice level of support sort of building, and this could actually still prepare us for the next run upwards into the next week. But just be cautious of that $7 level to the downside. Now, levels to break up to the upside are going to be the most recent level of resistance, of course, which is going to be at $9, $9.10. You can see that being difficult both here and also throughout here in the past too, so this is going to be one to watch out for. I think your next level that you're looking to past that is going to be $9.80. You can see resistance levels here and here as well, so that is going to matter a lot too. You can also see that here, by the way. Then you're looking for a full-on push up to the $10, $10.50 range. I think that is possible, but a bit more far out there. Opendoor stock has been one where it does begin to move, or when it does begin to move, it moves a lot. So, you know, we do have that potential to see a surprise turnaround. Honestly, guys, I'd be aware of those key levels to the downside that I have been telling you about, you know, over the course of this video. I think the stock does still have a lot of potential, but it's about seeing if it's going to find its bottom right now. Obviously, the way that I would trade Opendoor will very much depend on the strategy which I wish to indulge in. I know a lot of people are looking to hold this one for 6 months, a year, 2, 3, 4 years, in which case now could still be a great buy. In the short term, I would urge personally some caution, but again, I would leave you guys to make your own opinions, as I am not a financial advisor, and these videos are not financial advice. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this in the comments. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope I will see you again soon. Goodbye. If you guys are ready to get serious about trading for less than the price of a coffee every day, I've got to tell you about the new Patreon page that I have just launched. That's right, guys, I have a new Patreon. I'm going to be sharing everything on here, from my personal stocks that I am watching to pre-market updates, as well as a Discord group which I have started. It's going to allow you to access similar-minded, like-minded people who are also interested in sharing their knowledge about the markets. I'm going to be sharing a lot of stuff over here, guys. There's going to be a lot of exclusive content coming in the next couple of weeks, but do bear in mind, for most of the tiers, spots are limited. The Market Scout, where you'll gain access to the Discord, prices will change after 150 members. At the moment, guys, I'm limited for time, so the Trader's Edge course and above, we're limiting the courses even lower, right? There's a limited amount of people who can join. At the same time, depending on the level of mentorship that you want, we have prices going all the way up from $14.50 to the highest tiers over here that you can see. Again, if you're looking to take your journey to that next level, on these middle tiers, this is personally the one that I would recommend, even though it's not the most expensive. It costs less than a coffee every single day, and the amount of information that you'll get here, in my personal opinion, is absolutely worth the value. At the very least, guys, you can become a member for free. The link is down in the description, the comment section, and the bio. Just give it a look and see what you think. And of course, feel free to sign up if you're looking to take your journey even further. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of the video.